We're doing it on edopro. I'm back with subduels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the range. You ready? I'm ready. Dude! Gotta try to do this quick because Faisal only has 30 minutes. So.
No problem.
You got your new deck you want to try out?
Yes.
Oh, come on, man. I just dueled JM with Altergeist. What the fuck?
No, not the Autogeist. Oh. You will see.
Main phase 1, quick launch. Rocket Tracer. Striker Dragon. Word Legacy Guard Dragon.
Wait. No.
Special Summon. Rocket Tracer. Bring it to Romulus. Romulus effect.
Okay.
God dang it.
Okay, this is good.
Which activated monster effect.
Pot of Greed.
Pot of Greed, yeah. Come on. Give me the Lance.
Okay.
Give me the Lance. Oh, come on.
Your luck's bad today.
What do I do now? Chaos base.
No.
What do I do now? Do I go for... Yeah, let's try going like this. Oh, I needed him. Fuck. Damn it.
I think you can. Oh, no. No tuner. You need tuner to complete.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to do Hulky Fibrax. Fudge. What the heck do I do here? Tasty?
Yes.
Go straight for Tasty. Oh, look at this. What is... What?
You can complete the compromise.
From your hand in defense. What? From your hand? From your hand in defense. What does that mean? What am I activating?
Okay, I'll try this.
Negate and destroy. Great. Great.
Okay. Let's add this.
Great. Banish. Special. Oh, what? What was that? Proofing. Great.
No, nothing. It's same.
How come you didn't do multi-faker? Here we go, multi-faker. Oh, God. Multi-faker, silk with us.
Yes, going with this. Okay.
Battle. Attack multi-faker.
Okay. I need. Okay, let's add this draw. My luck is going
What?
up.
It didn't even activate its effect. I thought I activated.
No,
Oh,
no.
it didn't even activate its effect. Why didn't I activate its effect? And I'm trying to rush because you only have like 30 minutes to duel. I'm rushing here.
I need the next draw is Numeron network.
Numeron. What?
You'll see, you'll see. This is
Okay.
this new deck that I made, and one tight. Okay. No.
Tracer. Pop. The Charger. Summon. Synchro.
Boil of Savage Dragon.
Bororoad Savage Dragon. Kokehatsu.
Okay, this is good.
Tenendo. I forgot to use Black Metal Dragon's effect. Wow. Or
Bad
black.
draw.
Or I keep saying black metal.
Can't do
That
anything.
has darkness metal.
Yes, I can't do anything. Do it. Okay.
Or Legacy Guard Dragon target. Rocket Tracer. Special.
Special.
Oh, it gets banished. Damn it. I keep messing it up. Keep banishing the Tracer. Banish.
Okay.
Special. Activate. You're gonna negate it, so I will negate it. Savage negate. Decrease the bottle counter. Take a. Oh god. Oh no, it goes through, right? Does it go through?
No. Wait.
Oh, it still negates it. Okay. Thank god.
Yes, it's still. The thing is about this deck is the draw is you need to draw some cards. If you don't draw it, you will lose anyway. Like Numeron Network or yes, it's Numeron Autogist deck.
Numeron network, huh?
Yes.
I'm gonna
So
do
I
a
don't draw
Buster
it.
Lock here. Union Carrier. 2 attributes. Union Carrier target. Savage. Spoofing. Turning the Marionetter. Adding
Multifaker.
Does that trigger its effect?
I think yes. I will do.
Alright, Buster Lock. Gains 1,000 too. Multi-faker, alrighty. Okay. Multi-faker. Silkwoodus, son of a...
Okay.
It's a quick effect too. Damn it!
Pot of bead.
No. What is that? Change of heart.
Okay.
Oh, you couldn't quick effect it? Oh, give me that.
What? Okay.
Wait, does it say till the end phase? Or till the end phase?
No, stealth. Attack. Battle phase. Battle phase. Sorry.
Yeah. Attack.
Okay.
Road Savage Dragon. Direct attack. In phase
I just
2,
need to pull.
I'm just going to 2 monsters. Oh wait, I can't even link him away. Fuck. Damn it. Fernando. I can't use him the same time. I can't link him away when he was summoned that turn. Union Carrier. God damn it.
Yes. I can't even do anything. Just have for his face.
You can silk with this, no?
I can't. Wait. I think I can do something. Okay, stop. Play. You have one borrow counter.
Yeah.
And
Union Carrier. Target himself. I'll be safer. Gains 1,000. Battle. Attack. Carrier. Silkwoodus. Spoof. And Ash.
okay. Nice.
Yes.
Oh.
Direct attack. Union Carrier. Finish him. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory.
GG.
No side. Let's go. Let's do this. You only got 30 minutes left. Less than that.
Yes. Let's just do it. I got this card now.
Normal.
Okay.
Dragon Dragon. Link it off for Striker Dragon. Killing Cone, Striker, Link effect, Black Metal Dragon, Grave effect, Black Metal, get Darkness Metal, Striker Dragon, Boot Sector Launch. Vanish, special. Oh,
Yes.
with the imperm. With the imperm. That's just
Yes,
combo
this is the
stop. Combo breaker. Turn into. Wow.
Okay, I don't know, but I try this. Let's get this.
No way, dude. Numeron network. Numeron calling. Numeron network is on your field. You control no monsters. Why'd you put him in? Should have put him in attack. Attack, 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 and attack.
No. I won't do this. I will do this.
Yeah, you just got nibbed. Nibiru.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Put him in attack. And I'll put yours in attack because I know it doesn't have that much attack. No, what? Holy crap, you see that guy's attack?
Yes.
I miscalculated that.
Okay.
That's a lot of
I
attack.
activate another Numeron network.
You can't do it again now, can you?
No, I can't.
Okay.
No,
Oh my god, that's like a 7200 attack. Jeez.
7,000.
God. Oh my god, cards.
Okay. I have this. Flip 7. I don't have anything. That's fine.
What? You could have had
This deck is
something.
something bad and wrong.
You could have had something, man. I bricked hard right there. I bricked hard. Well, you surrender. I win. Thank you, Faisal, for the duel.
Yeah. Hello. No problem.
Comment, share, like,
I
and
like
sub,
it.
sub if you liked it. See you guys.